stone, wood, and metal. Natural materials that connect us to the outside world. A private oasis in Eugene, Oregon, nestled among the trees. Feeney DesignRail with CableRail provides a seamless experience from the indoors out to the surrounding oak savanna. Durable, beautiful, powder-coated aluminum railings frame almost 2,800 square feet of outdoor living area. Slim, sleek CableRail Conceal fittings enable an intimate connection with the beautiful surroundings. Celebrate your view. Live one with nature.